Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can easily add automation in Honeybook and how we can use it. So when you're going to click on the tools, you want to click on automations. And right before I go into it guys, what you can do is click on the link down below in the description. And when you're going to click on the link, you'll get option to claim the discount, 20% off for 1 year, just for you. And that's something you can do. And when you're going to have it and you're going to claim the discount, we can go further to our automations. So here I'm going to click new automation. And here I can add a first action. So create a task, send smart file through the email. So send the email to your lead or clients automatically. Or write tasks for yourself so you never miss anything through the project. So we are going to use these two. Send email. And let's say we can have and create a new email template, or you can choose from these templates. Topic can be thanks for signing up. And now I really appreciate that we can work together. I can add also email signature and attach images and files, and I would click save. Now I have thanks for signing up. And then on the right side, you're going to have when you want to actually send it. So 0 days, it's going to be straight away. Now I can click plus here and I can add another question, another thing. So send smart file through the email. Then I can click plus here and what I want to actually send to him. Contract, saved invoices. So this is really perfect to actually use the smart file only because let's say you're gonna have a new client, right? That is going to come to you. And then you're gonna send an email to him. I really appreciate. And then right after it, let's say you're gonna send him proposals, onboarding templates. Then I can send him contracts. So let's say I can have onboarding templates, right, like that, and send through email. And let's say it's going to be 1 day. Wait immediately after automation is activated. Wait 1 day after previous step is completed, and then. So let's say the thank you for signing up, for having cooperation with me, and then wait 1 day after previous step, and then send smart file through the email. So that's what we can do here. And what we can do here, automatically we can create a task. So task is going to be set up a meeting or start brainstorming about project. Create a task when immediately after previous step is completed, or you're going to choose the let's say 3 days. And voila, here we got it. Then what you can do on the top right, you can easily save it. And what is going to be the email template here? Okay. And I can save it. Your changes have been saved. Okay, and when I go back, I can see the sign up. And then automate through the contact form, add a project type question to your contact form and apply it to the automation sequence here to send inquiry of different types down separate paths. So what I can have is to simply have a contact form. It's going to be default for contact form, business funding, coaching, consulting. You can easily choose that. So let's say it's going to be based on the project type here. So let's say corporate or strategy. And that's how pretty much it works. So this is just a simple introduction to it. that you can add. And yeah, like the automations are really simple to use, but you have to like test it out by yourself. That's what I recommend. So select the project types that you want to apply this automation to when they come in through the contact form, or you can have the default for contact form. So you can choose that too. And then you can have the thanks for signing the document, and then you have the text here for the contact form. Then you would send the smart files that you want to send them, and then you can simply create tasks for yourselves in this particular project. And you can have everything automated. So this is just like introduction to automation. Thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.